Hello student, good morning to all. Today I am going to take lecture of 12th class and today's topic combination of register. Combination of register. We can combine register by two types. Number one series combination and second is parallel combination. First is series combination. Let three register of resistance R1, R2 and R3 combine in series combination. What is series combination? Series combination is the combination of resistor in which resistor are combined end to end. It means there is only one path is available for flow to current. Okay, mean if we have three resistor of resistance R1, R2 and R3, V equal to voltage of battery and I equal to current flows through circuit. Okay, I is the current flows through circuit. Series combination. When resistors are combined end to end. Okay, it means this is a battery of V volt, resistor of resistance R1, R2, R3. The voltage V1 across the resistor R1, V2 and V3. Okay. Current start to flow from the positive terminal and only one path is available for to flow current. Note point is that only one path to flows current through circuit. Okay, but voltage is different for each resistor. Okay, only one path is available to flow current, but voltage related to each resistor is same. Is different. Voltage for each resistor is different. Okay. but the algebraic sum of voltage is equal to the total voltage applied in circuit. It means total voltage equal to the sum of voltage applied across each resistor. Okay, it means total voltage V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Okay, और as you know, according to Ohm's law, R equal to V upon I. So value of V equal to Ri. V equal to Ri. It means the value of V1 equal to R1 I, value of V2 equal to R2 I, and value of V3 equal to R3 I. Okay, so and V equal to Ri. R is the equivalent resistance of resistor, because this is the R1, R2, R3, and R is the equivalent of these three resistors. It means the circuit behave like this. It is battery. It is R equivalent and current I. Okay, so by putting value of V, V1, V2 and V3 in equation, that is equation first. So by putting value of V, V1, V2 and V3 in equation first. Then V equal to V1, V2, V3. Then V equal to R, Q, I. Value of V1 is R1I. Value of V2 is R2I, and value of V3 is R3I. R equivalent I equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 I. It means I cancel by this side. So R equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. It means in series combination, the equivalent resistance is equal to the algebraic sum of individual resistance of resistor. Okay, so this is for series combination. Now we have to find the value of equivalent resistance for parallel combination. In parallel combination, let three resistor of resistance R1, R2, R3 like this. R1, R2, R3. The current starts from the positive terminal. It means there is many path, three path available to flow current. I1, I2, I3. But the voltage across the each resistor will be same. So the equivalent resistor behave like this. It is the R equivalent. I. Okay. So voltage across each resistor will be same, but current passes through each resistor will be different. Okay, it means both end of each resistor connected to the battery directly. Okay. Both ends are connected to the battery directly. Both ends connected. The current flow through each resistor I1, I2, I3, but the algebraic sum of current will be same. It means total current equal to sum of current passes through individual resistor. Okay. Thus total current equal to sum of current passes through individual resistor. It means I equal to I1, I2 plus I3, and according to Ohm's law, R equal to V upon I. It means R equivalent equal to I equal to V upon R eq, and the value of I2 equal to V upon R2, and value of I1 equal to V upon R1, and value of I3 is equal to E upon R3. So by putting the value of I1, I2, I3 in equation first, by putting values of I1, I2, I3 So I equal to V upon R equivalent equal to V upon R1, V upon R2 and V upon R3. It means V common 1 upon R equal to 1 upon R1, 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. And B cancelled by B. It means 1 upon R equivalent equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. This is the combination of resistor in parallel combination. Okay, it means the reciprocal of equivalent resistance is equal to the sum of reciprocal of individual resistance. I hope you understood. The remaining topic of this chapter I will explain in my next video. Thank you very much.